What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. So this is a little quick update because y'all didn't know what happened. Like I said, I'm trying to get y'all a video today, man, so it ain't gonna be a whole lot of action on this one. But because I'm gonna be super busy today. But y'all see I'm up early, man. But parts came in yesterday, and I had to run the summit yesterday too. So I'm finna show y'all what I had to get, cause I had to get this stuff for Dolo. Cause y'all know I'm finna go drop this stuff off right now. But I'm finna show y'all what came in and all that. Then I gotta update y'all on some stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all see it. Pack came in. That's the last thing I'm waiting on for Dolo. So we got the new axle, man. I was gonna put it in, but the way stuff panned out, I'm gonna let Jesse put it in since the car's still down there. Cause what I had to go get yesterday at Summit is I had to go get some more fittings, man. Cause I'm up here thinking, I'm like, you know, just like, man, we need some more fittings. I'm like, man, what happened? Reason we need some more fittings? Then I thought about it. Y'all remember when I took this stuff back? I had so many fittings, man. I took the wrong ones back. Some of them I need to keep. I thought I had them separated, like I said, for the fuel system, but I didn't. So me and the fam had to go up there, make a trip to Summit, man, a last minute trip to Summit. I got to get with my fam DJ today, Showtime, like I said, because he got some stuff shaking, man. I got to drop some stuff off with him. And then hopefully, man, my trailer axle come back today. So like I said, this more of an update video to everything for y'all, cause like I said, y'all know my trailer been down, man. That axle, I don't know, man. It must be a one-off axle or something, man. That junk there, boy, been a minute. So hopefully I get the trailer back going today. And I want to go to the track, which it'll be another vlog. But I'm saying I'm shooting 2-3 vlogs for y'all today. Cause this something to give y'all an update and everything, man. Cause it been a lot shaking. Then as far as y'all see the weather too, man. I'm like, I don't know. But as far as Meech, all right, with Meech, I'm hoping, cause I know everybody, man, wondering like, when next time you taking Meech out to the track? Well, I'm hoping, well, this month gone, but maybe next month I take it back out. I have everything in except two things. Like I said, the rear end is one of them in my adjustable uppers and lowers, which I'm gonna get them when I get the rear end, man. When I order the rear end, but so I got the roll bar coming. I hope it come. I hope it come next week, man. But the shocks, my shocks done. They'll be here next week, so we'll be getting them shocks on. Then I'm so ready to get them shocks on, because when I get the shocks on, man, I can take them off and put these back on, man. Cause I need to put these on, so I can keep them on, man. Cause they in the middle of the floor. Cause y'all see my stack over there. That's for smaller tires. So when I get my when I take the tires off of Meech, I have somewhere to stack them. I have somewhere to put them, and then I can put these on the car and leave them on the car. Cause y'all know I need to set my ride height up, cause it was just sitting on top of the right on top of the tire. We can't have that. Then we'll be able to get some adjustability out of it or whatever. And then when we put the roll bar on there, then when the anti-roll bar get on, it'll stop it from twisting up like it did. and then I'm gonna take it and see what that joke gonna do. Like I said, now the next time I take it, I would probably run it on gas. I probably will run it on gas. Nowhere near full potential. I would not run that car on full power. Nowhere near full power. Not right now. Not while that rear end in there. They say it got an 8.5 in it, but the power that joker making, it ain't gonna last. Trust me, if Dolo busts 8.5 carry, y'all know Meech will do one. I'm surprised, man. Now I got a good carry in it, like I upgraded the carry in Dolo. So now Dolo has the same carry that Meech got in it, which it got a Detroit lock in. True Track, my bad. So both of them got a Detroit True Track. They hold more power than that old Eaton right here that I busted up. And I kept this car. I'm gonna sell it. Like I said, it's an 8.5, but it's rebuildable. A person can rebuild it. I can't remember how much the rebuild kit is for it, because you can take all that stuff out and then put new stuff in. It'd be like new. But I can't remember how much it is, so I'm gonna look the price up for that, and then I price it based on that. So you know, I can give somebody a good deal. So they're gonna be for sale. If you want it, hit my email, jmalcom2004@gmail.com. If you want any of these converters that I got for sale too, the TCI converter, which is like brand new, and then I'm selling the TCI converter for $500. It saves somebody almost $200, man. And then I got the 4,000 star converter I'm selling for $400, which is a nitrous converter. So then we got the dual plane intake too. It about dual plane intake. If you want any of that stuff, hit my email, jmalcom2004@gmail.com. So that's the plan, man. When the shocks come in, the roll bar, we're gonna put that on, and then we're gonna go take Meech out again and try it out. Like I said, on the gas, super light. I'm talking about, I ain't even gonna run it on 50% power. I ain't even running on 50% power. If I run it on 100%, I know what it's gonna do, man. 8.5, they can hold some, but 8.5 on the heavy car is a whole different ball game. So I know what's gonna happen, man, if I hit it on 100%, or even if I don't hit it on 100%, if I hit it with 50% and go up to and run into 100, man, probably still gonna bust the car. It make a lot of power on motor. It make a lot of power on just horsepower alone, man, to the wheels. So that's what we got planned. R&B will probably be going next, cause Jesse's got my parts down there for the exhaust. He been wanting to do that. Wifey car is almost done. Shout out to my fan Rick, man. Wifey car be back. I can't wait to see that and hear that, boy. I can't wait. Then we got new mufflers for her car. Grandma Nana, we gotta do the intake on it. So we gotta do intake on Grandma Nana, which we got a brand new intake. We got the new carburetor. Like I said, then we gotta go test and see how it run. And so I'm gonna show y'all everything on that car. I'm gonna try to get some sponsors in on that car too. Some performance sponsors, man. Since I'm gonna document everything, so that's gonna be the car, man. We're gonna try to get some sponsorships on. Then brown coat, we got to go change the MSD box out. I supposed to been did that. We got to change the MSD box out, put the 6014 on there so we can get more tunability out of it. And then put the nitrous kit on. So when it go, it'll be in nitrous and the new box installed in a dedicated fuel system. And then exhaust and headers and new tack on R&B. And Meech gonna get shocks and roll bar. But it depending on Jesse and their schedule, if they can get Meech in before R&B, Meech gonna have priority over everything, cause I'm actively running that car. So Meech will have priority over everything. Then after that, I kick R&B in there. But really, brown coat supposed to be in front of R&B, man. Cause I supposed to be, or I might go brown coat first. R&B simple. R&B is simple, so I might do brown coat first, man. It's supposed to be done last year. Never got around to it, but you know. But anyway, man, they're gonna wrap this one up a little short one to give y'all something. I don't try to skip 2 days in a row for y'all, so it's a little update. But I'm gonna have some action coming for y'all, man. If the weather hold out, I might go to the track today and y'all have that vlog coming for y'all. Or if I don't go to the track, I might go to Mexico. Give y'all some. I need to do some testing, man. I'm itching. I got some stuff to try out. But anyway, man, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.